How to make money with Chatgpt. In recent years, artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized various industries from healthcare to finance and entertainment. One of the most remarkable advancements in AI is the development of language models like Chatgpt, which have opened up new opportunities for individuals and businesses to explore the potential of AI-powered monetization. Understanding Chatgpt. Chatgpt, developed by OpenAI, is a groundbreaking language model that utilizes the GPT 3.5 architecture. This advanced AI tool has the remarkable ability to generate human-like text based on input prompts. Its versatility allows it to engage in conversation, provide information, create content, and assist users across various domains. The underlying technology behind Chatgpt involves deep learning and natural language processing (NLP) algorithms, enabling it to learn patterns and context from vast amounts of data. To harness the potential of Chatgpt for monetary gain, it is essential to comprehend its capabilities and limitations. Familiarize yourself with the intricacies of the model's response generation, ensuring you can provide accurate and relevant information when using it to cater to specific queries or requests. Freelancing and content creation. Monetizing Chatgpt through freelancing and content creation present a lucrative opportunity. In this digital age, businesses and individuals constantly seek fresh and engaging content for their websites, blogs, social media platforms, and marketing campaigns. As a Chatgpt user, you can leverage this demand by offering your services as a content creator. To excel in this area, it is crucial to showcase your expertise in generating high-quality, original content. You can advertise your services on freelancing platforms, content creation marketplaces, or through your own website. Clients will be drawn to your ability to craft persuasive articles, captivating blog posts, and informative web copy, all powered by the creative and diverse capabilities of Chatgpt. Virtual assistant services. The rise of AI-powered virtual assistants has transformed the way businesses operate. Chatgpt can be harnessed to offer virtual assistant services, catering to the needs of entrepreneurs, small businesses, and busy professionals. As a Chatgpt-powered virtual assistant, you can provide support in scheduling appointments, managing emails, conducting research, and more. To excel in this field, you must create a seamless experience for your clients by training Chatgpt to understand specific business contexts and preferences. This customization allows the virtual assistant to handle tasks efficiently and accurately, ultimately saving clients valuable time and resources. Educational content and tutoring. The potential of Chatgpt extends to the education sector, providing opportunities to generate income through educational content creation and tutoring services. As an educator, you can develop interactive lessons, quizzes, and study materials powered by Chatgpt's capacity to explain complex concepts in a user-friendly manner. Additionally, tutoring services can be provided to students seeking help in various subjects. By combining your expertise with Chatgpt's vast knowledge base, you can offer personalized and adaptive tutoring sessions tailored to individual learning needs. Chatbot development. As businesses increasingly recognize the benefits of integrating chatbots into their operations, the demand for skilled chatbot developers has soared. Chatgpt can be leveraged to create intelligent and dynamic chatbots for customer support, sales, and engagement. To offer top-notch chatbot development services, you need to understand the intricacies of conversation design, user experience, and AI integration. By training Chatgpt with relevant datasets and refining its responses, you can deliver chatbots that effectively address customer queries and concerns, leading to increased client satisfaction and loyalty. Language translation and localization. Language barriers are a significant challenge in today's globalized world. Chatgpt can be utilized to provide language translation and localization services, assisting businesses in reaching international audiences and breaking into new markets. To ensure accurate translations and localized content, it is crucial to curate relevant language datasets and fine-tune Chatgpt's responses. Additionally, stay updated with the latest linguistic trends and cultural nuances to provide contextually appropriate translations that resonate with diverse audiences. Personalized recommendations and advertising. As AI becomes more sophisticated, personalized recommendations and advertising have become pivotal in marketing strategies. Businesses are eager to leverage Chatgpt's capabilities to offer personalized product or content recommendations to their customers, leading to increased engagement and sales. To excel in this domain, you must understand the importance of data privacy and security, while using Chatgpt to analyze user preferences and behavior. Implement algorithms that respect user consent and ensure the ethical use of data for personalized recommendations. Game development and interactive storytelling. The gaming industry is constantly evolving, with players seeking immersive and interactive experiences. Chatgpt can play a significant role in game development, offering dynamic storytelling and engaging characters through natural language interactions. As a game developer, you can leverage Chatgpt to create non-player characters, NPCs, with personalities and dialogue that adapt to players' actions and choices. This level of interactivity enhances the gaming experience, making it more enjoyable and captivating for players. AI-generated creative art and music. The intersection of AI and creative arts has opened up new avenues for monetization. Chatgpt can be trained to generate artistic content, such as poetry, prose, music, and even visual art. To capitalize on this niche, focus on training Chatgpt with relevant datasets and fine-tuning its creative output to align with specific artistic styles or themes. This unique approach to art and music creation can attract collectors, enthusiasts, and even businesses seeking original and AI-generated creative works. AI-powered research and insights. Research and data analysis are essential components of various industries, including market research, finance, and scientific studies. Chatgpt can be used to analyze data, generate insights, and support decision-making processes. As an AI-powered researcher, you can offer data analysis and insight services, presenting clients with valuable information derived from vast datasets. AI-powered customer support. The realm of customer support has seen a significant shift towards automation and AI-powered solutions. Chatgpt can be harnessed to create intelligent chatbots that provide 24/7 customer assistance, addressing common queries and even troubleshooting issues. To excel in this domain, focus on understanding the specific needs and pain points of the businesses you serve. Chatgpt is a knowledge base. Businesses often struggle to manage vast amounts of information effectively. Chatgpt can be used as an internal knowledge base, enabling employees to access critical information quickly and efficiently. As a knowledge base manager, you can develop a Chatgpt-powered system that indexes and organizes relevant documents, manuals, and resources. This approach streamlines information retrieval for employees, saving time and improving productivity within the organization. The opportunities to make money with Chatgpt are vast and diverse, spanning various industries and niches. By leveraging the power of AI, you can unlock new streams of income and provide innovative solutions to meet the needs of businesses and individuals alike. However, it is crucial to remember that the ethical use of AI and data privacy are paramount considerations in your journey to monetize Chatgpt. Always prioritize transparency, respect user consent, and adhere to ethical guidelines when developing AI-powered solutions. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.